Now, question number B. Here you'll have 5 questions. 4 questions will be of 2 marks each, and 1 question will be of 1 mark. Any one question will be of 1 mark. So here first question is of 1 mark, and all 4 questions are 8 marks, 2 marks each. So, and question number 3rd, here it will be based on summary. This is also called précis, and here you have to be careful of the word limit. Okay, you have to write your summary in 50 words maximum. Five words more or less are allowed, but not more than that. If you write less than 45 or more than 40 or more than 50, 4 words, this will not be checked. This will not be checked. Here. If you are writing in more than 54 words, in expression you are getting only half marks. It doesn't matter how well you write, but you will get only half marks for expression, and expression is of 2 marks. Okay? So now you have read questions. Now come to the passage again. And read your passage now in detail. And try to find out the keywords or points, and at the end of the passage jot down the points in your brain. Now here come to the question again and try to locate the answer of the question of, locate the answer of your question given. So here, how much did the python cost? You have to check the marks. So this is only of 1 mark. So you must find only 1 point. How much did the python cost? Only 1 point. So here ₹4. So if you write ₹4, you will get 1 mark. So you have to count the points according to the marks the question has. So if you write ₹4 or the python cost ₹4, you'll get 1 mark. The same way, second question, how did grandfather impress the children in the bazaar? So this question contains 2 marks. So you know very well, you have to write at least 2 points. So see here, if you write here, grandfather impressed the gathering by slinging the python over his shoulders and walking home with it. So there are 2 points. Grandfather slung the python, 1 point. Slung the python over his shoulders and walking home. If you write these points, you'll get marks. One thing, be clear, your answer must be written in your own language, in your own words. You cannot exactly copy the sentences from here. This tactic will not fetch you any mark at all. You have to write in your own sentences. So, write your answer in your own sentences. Write your answer in your own sentences. So here you may write, grandfather slung the python over his shoulders and was walking across with it, and in this way he impressed the children in bazaar. In the same way, see question 3. How did Toto respond when he saw the snake? Again, this is of 2 marks. So you have to find 2 points. How did Toto react when he saw the python? See here, you have to find 2 points. See, he fled into the house, squealing with fright. So, fled into the house, first point, and squealing with fright, second point. So again, you have to write these points in your own words.